Hey guys, again, it's I Love Red 6 Feb AJ here, and my hair is still an absolute mess. But I am back playing Deltarune again, and this is exactly the same place where we left off because I'm obsessed with this game. I'm so obsessed with this game, and I just wanted to keep playing it straight and just like keep doing little 15-minute clips-ish, like 15-minute-ish clips. So let's really stop rambling on, and I'll just keep playing. And hopefully the sound is okay. Has anyone seen the chalk? This is the third time it's gone missing, and you all know I can't start class without some, and I just went really British, excuse me. Oh, look at Alphys trying to be like a proper, like, hard nut teacher, just like, I'll give you all detention if you don't tell me who did it. Sounds like Alphys. How about this? If no one speaks up, everyone gets in trouble. And she just looks straight at Susie there. Anyone, please? Hey, there might be a box in the supply closet. Miss Alphys, why don't Susie and I... Oh, apparently, I'm not trying to give spoilers or anything, but this is just stuff I've heard. Apparently, Noelle here, the little deer thing, apparently she has a major crush on Susie. I don't know if that's just a canon thing that people want to bring into the game, but people have told me. And that could be why she's just like, well, why don't me and Susie go, you know? Me and Susie spending some little quality time together, etc, etc. Oops. Good idea, Noelle. Susie, since you came in last, why don't you go get it for me? Whatever. At me. And Chris, can you go with her and make sure she, actually gets it and, stays out of trouble? Thanks, Chris. See you later. Thanks a bunch, Alphys. You're just trying to sign me up on death or something. I wonder if these guys say anything different. Chris, don't listen to him. It's not that bad. You'll probably survive Susie beating you up. Wow, thanks for the encouragement there. You're just gonna fail when she doesn't do any of your project. It's like we always say, Chris. You snooze, you lose. I love it. That's not very reassuring, huh? No, it isn't. Thank you, though. Yo, Chris, I'm sorry. If I had just waited to be your partner, you wouldn't have to be hers. She's gonna pound you to pieces, Chris. And then kick the butts of all those little pieces. Thanks, these guys are all so reassuring. I didn't actually read any of this dialogue. I didn't actually know this was a thing. I was just seeing if you could speak to them before you left. See Temmie. Sus, vermine, said egg, never hatch. I want to kill Susie now. She's ruined all of Tem's dreams. Chris, didn't I say being late was a bad idea? It's almost as if you should have, as they say, listened? Me. I never listen. I do really. I'm just... Chris, if I had arms, I would take off this cool hat in remembrance of you. She's probably going to say nothing again. Click, click, tap, tap. Don't die. I love this character. Don't worry, Chris. I've always thought Susie can't be so bad, you know? I'm sure everything will turn out fine. Because you have a crush on her. Stupid dear child. See if Alphys has anything to say. Chris, what's the hold up? Go out there. You checked the time. It seems to be time for class. Oh, I haven't actually checked any of this. The computer's wallpaper is a rotating slideshow of nature images, and rarely an image of two buff superheroes embracing, blushing. You into gay stuff? I can't go around there. I can't click on any of this. This is really annoying. No, I didn't mean to speak to you again, stupid dinosaur. Looks like motivational quotes from various literature. Try your best, Astral Wolf, even in your darkest hour. That one seems to be from a video game. I don't know what video game that's from. People are probably going to yell at me just like, wow, you don't know what video game that's from? No, I don't. I'm an uncultured swine, and she's eating the chalk. I didn't see anything, okay? I didn't see that. Shh, go about your day, it's okay. It's okay, Susie. I didn't see you eat it. Shh, it's okay. I didn't see that. Chris! Didn't see you there. Well, I mean, you had your back turned, but you know. Too busy eating your chalk to bother noticing I was here. Hey! You didn't see anything just now, did you? No. No, 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 no. I didn't see anything. No. I didn't see anything. You can't even say? Can't you hear me yelling at you that I didn't say anything? See anything, I mean? Chris. Oh no. Oh no. Please don't kill me. Hey. No. Please. Have mercy. Let me tell you a secret. Oof. Whoa, okay. Calm down there, sister. Quiet people piss me off. Wow. Oh, this music. Oh, man. Can we just acknowledge the music? Oh, Toby Fox, man, you've done it again. I love the soundtrack. You think just because you don't say anything, I can't tell exactly what you're thinking? It's over. I caught Susie eating all the chalk. This was her last chance. Now she'll finally be expelled. Haha, come on, Chris, don't act shocked. You know it's true. Everyone's waiting for it. Everyone wants it. So congrats, Chris. You got me. I'm done for. Just let me say one little thing. Seems like a waste to get expelled just for having a snack. But who in their right mind just eats chalk? Who in their right mind would just eat chalk for a living? Clearly Susie. So Chris, if I know you're gonna pull the trigger, why don't I just get expelled for some real carnage? Chris, how do you feel? Whoa! Her face, man. About losing your face. Please don't eat my face off. Please don't eat... No. Oh. Wimp. If you're gonna threaten me and say you're gonna eat my face off, actually do it. I mean, I'd like to keep my face, but like... Wimp. Nah. Thought you wanted to get expelled for some real carnage. If you want to get expelled for something good, eat my face off. Something to get you expelled. Chris, you've got a good mother. It'd be a shame to make her bury a child. Alright, let's get this over with. We'll get more chalk, mosey back to class, and then, Chris, you'll do our project. Well, I was gonna end up doing it all myself anyway, wasn't I? How's that sound? Bad. Whoa! Don't bother answering. I didn't even, like, press enter. Like, I was just, for a joke, gonna, like, press bad, but it just completely skipped over, like, my choice. It didn't even give me a choice. What the heck? Don't bother answering. If you haven't gotten it by now. Your choices don't matter. Thanks. Equal rights, you know, Susie? It's 2018. Ugh. I'm joking, by the way. Let's go, freak. Thanks for that. Way to boost my self-confidence. Apparently there's a thing with these lockers I'm going to try out. The locker is locked. The locker's lock is locked. The lock's locker is locked. What? The lock's locker is locked. This locker is covered in Jockington memorabilia. Are you ready for the Sadie Hawkman's dance? I just went really British again, I'm so sorry. At this dance, all the chaperones wear giant hawk heads and screech at any students that make contact while dancing. Oh, that's brilliant. That is amazing. Oh, can I just like... God, can you walk any slower or what? Well, I'm sorry that I'm a slow walker. Do you want to fight? Actually, no, I'd probably lose. Nah, I get it. Not used to walking around without someone holding your hand. Shut up, you! Just because you're all badass. Gosh, Susie. Ugh, as much as I love you, just leave me alone. Great. Come on, freak. I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm coming. Have patience, small purple dinosaur. It's like Barney's son. Well, here's the closet. Too bad. We were just starting to have fun. Wait, what? Well, damn. Whoa. Look at you, you big wimp. You're afraid of going in an itty-bitty closet? Oh, little big tough Susie, so scared to go in an itty-bitty closet. I need to shut up. Hey Chris, is it me or is it really dark in there, you wimp? Well, I mean, Chris is too afraid to go in there himself, or theirself. I see Chris as male, personally, but... What's the hold up, Chris? You gonna go in or what? No, I'm not. You can go in there. You were taking the mick out of me, so you go in there. Fine, if you're gonna be a wimp, then I'll... Go on, then. Go! We'll both go in at the same time. Alright, then. See? Why are you so scared? I'm not scared. There's nothing in here but old papers. Let's try to find the light switch. Can I go back up? Chris, if you leave me here, I'll... Okay, it just says the same thing. Oh, I can go further. That's weird. I can't find the switch. Guess it's further in. Oh, you fool. See if I go back? Chris, if you leave me... Oh, okay. It just says the same dialogue. Okay. It's really dark. Kind of big for a closet, huh? You don't say! You'd think we'd have reached the end by now. You'd have realised it's not a closet by now, right, Susie? Stupid dinosaur. I think she's a dinosaur anyway, right? Please correct me if I'm wrong. Hey, Chris. I think this closet's, broken. You don't say! If I could insert memes right now, I'd insert a you don't say meme, just like, somewhere. There aren't any walls. Again. You don't say. Well, we've worked hard enough. If Alphys wants to talk so bad, she can get it herself. Let's split. And this is why you listen to me when I try to leave. What the? Hey, this isn't funny. Let us out. Let us... Oh no. The floor, it's... moving? That's so cool. I love that animation. This animation is the best. Ooh. Bang! And... look where we are now. I think. Love the music in this game so much. And the special effects and just everything. Oh. So I stan this game. I love it so much. I love how also Toby Fox has changed completely how in this world compared to the overworld it looks completely different. Like Chris and Susie, they look completely different. And I've been thinking, since Ralsei's name is an anagram of Asriel, since Chris and Susie's appearances change when they're in this timeline or universe, I was wondering if since Ralsei is an obviously he's an anagram of Asriel. I was wondering if in the upper world he's actually Asriel, and he only changed his name for Chris's sake, so he didn't find out about it, or they didn't find out about it. I don't know, but since I've just got down here, I think I'm gonna leave this video here for now, and then I'll explore more, etc., etc., into more depth. I can't speak today. In my next video. Ow, I just hit my computer. That was annoying. But I'll probably save, and I'll either save here and, you know, quit the game, or I will keep playing because I love this game and it's not exactly really, really long. Do you know what I mean? Like, it's not really, really lengthy or anything. So I think I'm just going to leave this episode here. And yeah, I will see you all in my next episode. And oh, I've just realised, there's now nothing at the top of the screen, because in the last episode it said the beginning, I believe. But it now says nothing. Wow, okay. That's interesting. Probably because it's another timeline, or world, or whatever. I don't know. I'll have to look into more depth. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!